What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Car Mechanic Simulator 2021. Today, we're going to actually be fixing up the Mercedes Pagoda. I said that in the last video. I don't know how to pronounce it uh, or anything, but I think that's what it's called. And also, side note for the PC building video, I managed to figure out what was wrong. My GPU was overheating, and there's no other better heating supplies or heat cooling supplies for the water cool. Oh, jeez. So, I had to downgrade the GPU, but I managed to get it to work. It only works half as well as the PC we built last time, but it does look cool. It does look really cool. So, yeah. It's fully red, the coolant and everything. I wish there was like RGB for the cooling pipes. That would look really, really cool, but I don't think they have that currently. So that's unfortunate, but I did put RGB everywhere else, wherever I could find it, so yeah. Anyways, let's get on with the video. And to build the pagoda, we need to find one. I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got the Mercedes here. It does not look good at all right now. Oh gosh. Someone definitely wrecked it. That's all I'm saying. Someone definitely wrecked it. I ain't pointing fingers, but you know who it is. The previous owners crashed it. I managed to save it before it got crushed, so yeah. Is this poop brown? Or is peachy tan? What the hell? Alright, let's head over here, get this thing fixed up. I swear if this is peachy tan, it's peachy tan. It's a lot better than poopy brown though, I gotta admit, but yeah, it's definitely not good looking by any means. Sell all the disgusting parts. Left mirror, left window, trunk, or rear window, taillight, rear bumper, and I realize we have a rusty license plate. Need this, and there is no mirror on this side because I don't know why. And I think that looks good. Actually, let's take off this rusty license plate. It's from Belarus. And let's go to the paint shop. I like a deep blue color. Like maybe something like this. Yo, that looks classy. Ooh, the stripe's a little off center, so my OCD is a little black. Ooh, no stripe. I'm gonna have to go with the no stripe, because that stripe was giving me OC. Is that it? Just a white Mercedes logo on the hood? No thank you then. I would rather have this off-centered stripe. Damn, if this thing was centered, that would look so cool. But, whoever. Oh, I meant to move it to a garage. Do that lifter. There you go. Got white walls. Hold on. Do we have racing white walls? Vintage white walls. We got vintage racing tires. I mean, you might go for this one. But I really like the white walls. I don't know what you guys have. Oh no, I think it's the B right now. I think it's this one. There's no white lip around it. Which looks good, I mean, looks fairly okay. But I don't know how it's going to handle the extra power you're going to shove in it. But anyways, I'm going to go work on the engine. You don't need to see me do that. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, we finally got the engine all built. Let's take it out and put it in the car. I added a couple upgrades. So it shouldn't be only making 169. It should be making well into the 200s. But yeah. That shiny engine looks so nice in there. I'm going to go ahead, get the suspension reworked, and then get all the rusty parts out of the engine. You guys don't need to see this, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, we fixed it up. Now let's see if she'll start, and if I did everything correctly. Yeah. Sounds a lot more powerful too. Let's go to the dyno and see what she actually makes. Let's start the test. So it made 169 horsepower and 180 foot-pounds of torque, stock. And let's see what she makes now. Wow, straight through. 260. That's pretty good for an old-timer. That's pretty dang good. I mean, this ain't no track beast or anything. But we're going to put it on the track just because it's fun. Let's see here. Slightly closer. There we go. Pop it right there. And let's head to the drag strip. Alright, we're here at the drag strip. Let's go with the D. Let's go with the D class. This is rated as a D. So let's go with the D class. What the hell is a Sakura Takumi? Never heard of this car ever. When you're so used to building super fast cars. What the hell is that, a 240SX? Or is that an A86? Zero to 60 in 13 business days. He didn't even finish. He didn't even finish. Goodness gracious. What the hell is a Smith & Parker? Oh, is it the hot rod? It's probably a hot rod. Yeah, it's the hot rod. Who's gonna bet that I'm gonna lose terribly? Like, he's right there. I am pulling on him though. You better put that V8 to some good use. Does he not have a V8? Okay, apparently we're faster than him. Ooh, we got the Sylvia. Actually, no, that's gonna be the next race. What the hell is this? Like a Ford Focus? Or a Golf R? Like, what is that? When a classic Mercedes beats you in a mile race. That's just embarrassing, my guy. Yeah, it may have an extra 100 horsepower, but still. Jeez Louise. Well, now we're racing the Sylvia. He's been the reigning champ for the. He has a 4 cylinder instead of a 6 cylinder, so. But I think it is turbo. It's actually keeping up, I think. Is he gaining on me? No, I'm pulling on him. Oh no, I think he's coming back. Oh, he's definitely coming back. Yeah, he was coming back. That's for sure. But we still managed to beat him. Now it's time for the quarter mile and see if we can win any races here. Goodness gracious. Oh, I can't because I would jump the gun. Well, there's one last thing we gotta do, and that's go to the racetrack and see how this classical Mercedes performs on the racetrack. All right, guys, we are finally. This is our final stop, the racetrack. And let's see how this thing performs. We could probably make these turns without letting off the gas. Oh God, it's not the fastest guy out there, by all means. Gee, excuse me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo! Got a little squiggly over there. But I installed carbon ceramics on this thing, thinking I was gonna make 300. Oh, gee, this is a sharp turn. Ow, my suspension must be hurting right now. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus Christ. These turns are a lot sharper than I thought they were going to be. Hmm. And the time was 2:11:531, which is pretty good for an old classic Mercedes. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, please leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. And also, go to Big Shot Chain's channel. He'll be uploading the PC building simulator of his PC build relatively soon. So go check him out. Tell me what you think about his, well, comment on his video, tell on how he did on his channel, and yeah, in the future when he's finished building that video, he's gonna come and review my PC on my channel. I'm gonna go check out his PC on his channel. So make sure you tune in for those videos, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.